Hey guys, Alethea here. I got some nice new fabrics in. They're all knits. And I think it is 5. Like I said, they're all knits and they came from Fabric Mart. The first one we're looking at here is a nice luxury, smooth, navy polyester lycra ITY knit. And it was $3.96 a yard, and I got 1.5 yards, and you can wash it and dry it. This is nice, thick. You got some stretch here. You can sort of see through it, but it's kind of thick. I think it would have made some good in leggings, a nice dress, or a turtleneck. And it's 58 inches wide. Navy blue, a pretty blue. Up next, so next guys, we have this another piece of brush pink poly lycra ITY knit. It's also 58 inches wide, $3.96 a yard, and I got 1.5 yards. And this is looking like this. Nice stretch. Very nice stretch. As you can see, just gorgeous. Plenty of stretch. Make a nice little dress or blouse, top. Beautiful. This piece here is the same as this, but this piece, the blue, the navy blue, is thicker than your blush. This is more drapier. Has a lot of stretch. This is a little heavier, a little thicker than the blush, but they're labeled the same thing. Polyester lycra ITY knit. I think they're gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's move on. Now the next one is pink and white, as you can see, and they're calling this pink white rayon lycra horizontal stripe, and it's a jersey knit, 56 inches wide, $3.96 a yard, and I got 1.5 yards. And you can also wash this. And the gentle cycle is beautiful. Just beautiful. Nice. You got some stretch here. Not much lengthwise, but a lot crosswise. And you can see through it. Nice. I think this will make a nice little cardigan. Lightweight cardigan. Or nice little knit dress whatever that suits your needs. I like it. Next is a white 100% cotton, slightly diagonal pleated striped jersey knit, 56 inches wide. All of them cost $3.96 a yard, and I got 1.5 yards of each. This also is machine washable and tumble dry. I don't know if you can see the slants in it. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, I got this to make the cuff and collar of another sweater. Let's see if I can get my hands on the sweater pattern. This will make a nice little sweater. This combo right here, the pink and the white. The body of the sweater, the horizontal pink with the trim in white. I think it would be gorgeous. This is nice, cotton. Pin tucks look like. Let's move on to the next one. Let me know, by the way, which one is your favorite and what would you make out of it. And if you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to let me know what you're thinking and what you would make out of these. The next one is this. I like this. It's called Fresh Pineapple White, 100% polyester horizontal stripe, open weave thermal knit. I like thermals. Yes, guys, this thermal knit is definitely my favorite. Definitely will most likely be going into a sweater. Love it. Or some sort of top. Gorgeous color. Thank you for watching and coming to the channel to view my contents. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please let me know what you think about the fabric in the comment section and what you would make out of it. That's it for now until the next video. Sweet inspirations to all. Bye.